Hi everybody and welcome to this video tutorial about how to program Quico control board for sliding gates. What we have here today is a Movie 230 volt sliding gate operator. Our control board can control all 230 volt sliding gate operators, and we will have a look more in detail. This control board here is QK CE 220 RL4 control board, digital control board with many modern functions to make an easy setup, a quick setup, together with maximum safety for the system. Today we will have a look together to how to make the major connections and the major software programming for the board. The major parts for the board are, of course, the display, the area of the push buttons, the terminal blocks, and the fuses holder. This is, as you can see, just top cover that hold the replacement fuses in case there is something wrong with one of the fuses. We will now have a look to how to make major connections of the terminal block. We will first remove the fuses holder. The major connections are, of course, the motor itself, where number 13 and 15 are the phases and number 14 is the neutral. When connecting the motor, remember that together with the two phases you need to connect the capacitor, and that the phases of the motor are normally distinguished by black and brown cables. Black and brown are the phases and blue is the neutral. When doing the first connection, it is not important on which direction you connect the black and the brown, because you will adjust it later on during setup. So at this moment we have connected our motor already with the phases. Then in case of a sliding gate operator, of course, there is a limit switch system. The limit switch system is connected in connectors number 5, 6 and 8, where number 8 is the common, number 6 is the opening limit switch, and number 5 is the closing limit switch. So 5 closing, 6 opening, 8 common. What we need to connect to start the system is, of course, the mains. The mains gets connected to connectors number 19 and 20. For us to make a quicker process now during this video tutorial, we prepared a pre-connected terminal block. We are gonna connect it here. Then we can give power to the system, and the control board will turn on. You can see from the display.